How to image prompt. You take an image, click on it, copy the link, and imagine. Copy the link and describe the image. At Centaur in this case. Already did it, and this was the first result. Works good, but not as we wanted, so we re-roll, make another try, and now we got a good one. Upscale it, you image prompted. However, we don't like the style because it's too crappy. Don't know why. Could be because the image was a little bit. Anyway, we just add more image prompts that you get of other Centaurs and place those links all in the same image, in the same prompt, and place them. If you don't get a good one, re-roll until you get a good one, upscale it, and then you got one. Vary region to fix the stuff you don't like, and suddenly you got a good one. If you want to spice things up, you add -- chaos with a number between 0 and 100, doesn't matter what. Stronger ones give stronger results. I recommend 10 to 30, and that spices things up and gives some really interesting surprises. Have fun!